Welcome to the cutting-edge world of metal detection in 2024, where innovation meets precision in uncovering buried treasures and historical artifacts. In this dynamic era, metal detectors have evolved to astonishing heights, blending advanced technology with unparalleled sensitivity to revolutionize the field of treasure hunting and archaeological exploration. Join us as we delve into the realm of the best metal detectors of 2024, where each device represents the pinnacle of detection prowess, offering enthusiasts and professionals alike the tools they need to unearth the past and discover the hidden wonders beneath our feet. Noctisimplex Ultra. The Noctisimplex Ultra sets a new standard in the world of metal detecting with its impressive features and an affordable price tag of $349. Designed for adults, this waterproof detector can withstand depths of up to 16 feet, opening up a world of underwater exploration for enthusiasts. Its full carbon fiber shaft adds to its durability and contributes to its lightweight design, tipping the scales at just 2.6 pounds, ensuring comfortable extended use without fatigue. One standout feature of the Simplex Ultra is its vivid color LCD screen, which provides users with essential information at a glance. Whether adjusting settings or pinpointing targets, the user-friendly interface makes operation effortless. Additionally, the ability to receive firmware updates online via USB ensures that your detector stays current with the latest technological advancements. The retractable shaft, which can be shortened to 25 inches, adds to the portability of the Simplex Ultra, making it convenient for storage and transport. Whether you're a seasoned detectorist or a beginner, the Noctisimplex Ultra offers unparalleled performance and ease of use, making it a top choice in metal detectors. Garrett Ace 300. The Garrett Ace 300 metal detector stands as a testament to Garrett's commitment to innovation and performance in the field of treasure hunting. Priced at $369, it offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to enhance detection capabilities and streamline user experience. One of the standout features of the Ace 300 is its new digital target ID, which provides precise target information on a scale from 0 to 99, empowering users to make informed decisions about which targets to pursue. Including a 7 by 10 inch pro-performance submersible search, coil expands coverage and depth capabilities, while the higher frequency of 8 kHz ensures heightened sensitivity to low and medium conductivity targets such as gold and lead. Enhancements such as increased iron resolution, adjustable frequency, and cam locks for stem stability further elevate the Ace 300's performance in challenging environments. The addition of pulse width modulation audio delivers sharper, more responsive feedback, while electronic pinpointing enables precise target location and swift recovery. With 5 search modes, 8 sensitivity and depth adjustments, and a coin depth indicator, the Ace 300 offers versatility and accuracy tailored to various detecting scenarios. Whether you're a seasoned detectorist or a novice explorer, the Garrett Ace 300 sets a new standard for efficiency and reliability in metal detection. Garrett Ace Apex. The Garrett Ace Apex metal detector represents the pinnacle of versatility and performance in the world of treasure hunting. Priced at $498, boasting an array of advanced features, this detector is designed to cater to the needs of seasoned veterans and newcomers to the hobby. One standout feature of the Ace Apex is its inclusion of M3 wireless headphones with Z-Link technology, allowing users to detect without being tethered to their device. The iron volume feature allows for precise control over target volume, enabling users to independently adjust the volume of iron targets, a boon for experienced hunters seeking to focus on specific finds. The Multi-Flex multi-frequency technology equips the Apex for various detecting scenarios, from coin shooting to beach hunting, ensuring versatility and adaptability in any environment. Intuitive controls, including direct drive buttons and easy access menu adjustments, streamline operation for maximum efficiency. The Ace Apex delivers unparalleled accuracy and performance with 6 detection modes, including custom mode and high-resolution ground balance with 175 points of resolution. The 5-tone audible target ID and hybrid audio system enhance target identification, while the high-resolution discrimination offers precise notch discrimination to fine-tune target selection. Whether scouring the shorelines for lost treasures or prospecting in the wilderness, the Garrett Ace Apex is your ultimate companion, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design to elevate your metal detecting experience to new heights. MineLab Equinox 900. The MineLab Equinox 900 Metal Detector Bundle offers a comprehensive solution for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance in their treasure hunting endeavors. Priced at $1,148. This bundle includes the Equinox 900 6-frequency multi-IQ Tech metal detector along with the ProFind 40 waterproof pinpointer, complete with a built-in flashlight, holster, and lanyard. One of the standout features of the Equinox 900 is its fully waterproof design, allowing users to explore underwater environments with confidence. Submersible up to 16 feet, 5 meters. This detector opens up a world of possibilities for uncovering gold, silver, jewelry, coins, and other treasures beneath the waves. With 4 distinct modes, including park, field, beach, and gold, users can tailor their detection settings to suit specific environments and target types. It includes features such as a built-in flashlight and hand grip vibration, ensuring the hunt can continue long after sunset. The Equinox 900 boasts impressive accuracy in target identification, thanks to its fast and accurate 119 high-resolution target ID and superior audio control. This allows users to confidently discern between trash and treasure, even in high-trash areas. Despite its robust capabilities, the Equinox 900 remains remarkably portable, with lightweight carbon fiber shafts and a compact design that weighs only 2.8 pounds and packs only 24 inches. Whether exploring the beach, the park, or beyond, the MineLab Equinox 900 bundle provides the tools you need for a successful and enjoyable treasure hunting experience. MineLab Equinox 800. The MineLab Equinox 800 metal detector is a testament to innovation and performance in treasure hunting, priced competitively at $949. Featuring simultaneous multi-frequency technology, this detector harnesses the power of multiple frequencies to provide unparalleled depth and sensitivity across all soil types and metal targets. One of the key features of the Equinox 800 is its fully waterproof design, allowing users to explore underwater environments with confidence. Submersible up to 10 feet, 3 meters, this detector enables enthusiasts to uncover treasures hidden beneath the waves, whether gold, silver, jewelry, or coins. Equipped with 4 detection modes: park, field, beach, and gold, users can easily tailor their settings to suit specific environments and target types. The inclusion of custom search profiles allows for the saving of favorite settings, streamlining the detection process. Accurate target identification is facilitated by Equinox 800's fast and precise target ID system, with large target numbers providing clear identification at a glance. Wireless audio capabilities, including Bluetooth headphone compatibility and the WM08 module, enhance user experience with high-speed audio operation. Despite its advanced capabilities, the Equinox 800 maintains a sleek and lightweight design, ensuring comfort during extended detecting sessions. With a size of 56.7 inches, a weight of just 2.06 pounds, and a battery run time of approximately 12 hours, this detector is the perfect companion for enthusiasts of all skill levels, offering exceptional performance in any environment. MineLab Gold Monster 1000. The MineLab Gold Monster 1000 metal detector is a game-changer for gold prospectors, priced competitively at $999. Featuring advanced technology, including a 45K HZVLF and 24-bit signal processor, this detector offers unmatched sensitivity to gold nuggets across a wide range of sizes, while minimizing excess noise and false signals. One of the standout features of the Gold Monster 1000 is its fully automatic operation, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced prospectors alike. Equipped with automatic noise canceling, ground balance, and sensitivity adjustments, this detector takes the guesswork out of detecting, allowing users to focus on uncovering treasures. Improved discrimination capabilities enhance searches in salty soils, ensuring precise detection even in challenging conditions. The waterproof coil, submersible up to 3 feet, further extends the detector's usability in wet environments. The Gold Monster 1000's touchpad interface offers intuitive control over key functions, including sensitivity adjustments, discrimination settings, and volume controls. Users can fine-tune their search parameters with modes tailored for gold detection and iron rejection for optimal results. Thanks to the universal shaft adaptability and telescoping shaft, adaptable height ensures comfort and convenience for users of all sizes, whether searching wide-open fields or confined spaces. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, the MineLab Gold Monster 1000 sets a new standard for gold detection technology.